LadyLean.net is truly an outstanding online platform that goes above and beyond in delivering high-quality health and wellness products specifically designed for women who are passionate about fitness, balance, and self-care. From the very first visit to the website, it's easy to see why so many customers absolutely love shopping here. The site exudes professionalism, confidence, and a genuine dedication to helping women achieve their wellness goals. The layout of LadyLean.net is beautifully designed, easy to navigate, and highly informative, offering clear product descriptions, detailed ingredient lists, and insightful guidance to help customers make informed choices that suit their personal fitness needs. Every supplement and product available on the site reflects the brand's deep commitment to quality and results. Whether it's metabolism boosters, fat burners, protein blends, or energy-supporting formulas, each item feels thoughtfully crafted with scientifically backed ingredients to ensure maximum effectiveness and safety. Customers consistently rave about the noticeable improvements they experience after using Lady Lean products: higher energy levels, better focus during workouts, faster recovery times, and sustainable progress toward their health and fitness goals. Unlike many other supplement brands, LadyLean.net emphasizes natural ingredients and balanced nutrition, which makes it perfect for women who want real, long-term results without any harsh additives or side effects. The packaging is sleek, modern, and reflects the brand's dedication to both style and substance. Shipping is impressively fast and reliable, with every order arriving carefully packed to ensure freshness and quality. The customer service team deserves special mention as well. They are always friendly, prompt, and genuinely invested in ensuring that each customer has a positive experience, whether it's about product recommendations, delivery updates, or any other assistance needed. Another reason why LadyLean.net stands out is its transparent and trustworthy approach. The brand openly shares product information and backs every claim with clarity, which builds a strong sense of trust and reliability. Many customers appreciate that Lady Lean doesn't just sell products. It inspires a lifestyle centered around self-improvement, confidence, and empowerment. Through their expertly formulated supplements, women can feel supported in achieving their fitness ambitions, maintaining hormonal balance, and enhancing overall vitality. The positive feedback and repeat customers are a true testament to how well the brand connects with its audience and delivers exceptional value. In a market filled with countless health and fitness brands, LadyLean.net shines as a leader by combining quality, science, and care into everything it offers. The brand understands the modern woman's challenges and designs its products to seamlessly fit into a busy lifestyle, helping users stay motivated and consistent on their wellness journey. Every purchase feels like a step toward a healthier, more confident version of yourself. With its top-tier products, beautiful presentation, and outstanding service, LadyLean.net is not just a supplement store. It's a trusted partner for every woman determined to take charge of her health and transform her body and mind in the most empowering way possible.